Hello! In the last part of the tutorial, we build a fully functional view application, introducing the separation of concerns. This part of the tutorial will show you the problem the Internet Explorer has using the template tag. I have enhanced the application a little bit. In main app1.html, I have changed the view data to contain a person property having first name and last name. In main template1.ml, I have changed the input to use person.firstname and added a second input tag to point to the person's last name. In this file, I also changed the p tag to point to person.firstname. In comp1.ml file, I renamed the first property in props to person. Back to main template1.ml file, I updated the component to bind the person property to the person data. In comp1.template, I changed the span to point to person.firstname and added a second span to point to person.lastname. Rebuild the solution. Run the application to check if it's working correctly after all these changes. Internet Explorer doesn't know about many of the HTML5 enhancements. The template tag is among many other tags that is not known by Internet Explorer. When your view application is getting really complex, the view part of the content of the template tag is not recognized right away and is showing on the screen. The way to fix this is to hide the template tag while still allowing view to find it on the page. In the content folder, let's add a new CSS file named view.css. Add to this file the following style. Save the file and open the _layout.cs HTML file. Add the link to the view.css right before the script loading the view.min.js. Frankly, the order doesn't really matter as long as it is part of the page containing the template tags. Rebuild the solution. Run the application and check that the component still shows correctly the first name and last name data. This is it. Now you have a fully functional application that can run in all browsers and doesn't use the overhead of WebPack and NPM. If you liked my tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. There will be more tutorials like this soon. Happy coding and thank you for watching.